Alright, so you want to go to the public library, but you can't leave the house. What are you going to do? First things first, you're going to go to BCPS One and log in. And even though your screen's going to look a little bit differently than mine, you're going to click on Digital Content. Next, even though we're in grades K through 5, you're going to click on the top left Baltimore County Public Library tile right here. You could scroll down to the bottom in the grades 6 through 12 section, but the tiles are the same, so for convenience, I always just stay on the top. Next, you're going to click the Account drop-down menu and the Login Now button. Finally, scroll down, you're going to enter your student ID number right here. You'll find that on your student ID card or your grade report in Schoology. You can find the directions at the end of the video. Simply pause at the end. Your password will be 4 zeros. That's 0000. And that's it. Simply log in and explore.